A devastating midnight fire completely reduced 5 commercial establishments to ashes at the bustling Tulashikhar Chowmuhani market under Khowai district late Tuesday night, causing losses worth lakhs of rupees. Upon receiving information about the incident, a team from the Champahour Police Station led by Sub-Inspector Shyamal Debbarma arrived at the scene.
According to local sources, the Inferno broke at around 2 o'clock a.m. on Wednesday, when the entire market area was deserted. Alarmed by the bright glare and crackling sound, local residents rushed to the spot and immediately alerted the fire services and local police.
Norong ni kuno sonde har tan ke boro bai sogjang mane obo hairo norong ni ora busuk hazar ni joto ni nong milu khong busuk doang kham kan ora kagani sini mungke mo bo hatiwo kelai bo bazar.
Upon receiving information about the incident, a team from the Champahour Police Station led by Sub-Inspector Shyamal Debbarma arrived at the scene. Fire tenders were deployed to battle the flames, and after hours of rigorous effort, the fire was successfully brought under control.
What time ro mo doang ro kham khong busuk ro karo kham kan doang khara busuk ni kham kan doang no mo bo pyas be khobja bo hati mo.
However, 5 shops were already completely gutted before the flames could be doused. SI Shyamal Debbarma has initiated a preliminary investigation to ascertain the exact cause of the fire. Reported by Biplav from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.